great these came out. Just gonna plate them up here. Very simple, very healthy dish. Drain the water as we lift them. That's great. Okay, turn that off. Just gonna set our green beans aside because we're not quite finished with them. Stick a little piece of rosemary in the middle, just for now. Ooh, those are steaming hot. Okay. Sprinkle some of our little lovely mushrooms. Some of our mushrooms around. Mushrooms. More mushrooms. Join the party. Beautiful is that? Okay, let's get
Nothing wrong with it. I sometimes wonder what else you have in your life.
check on Miss Buddy. Okay.
Family.
And beef Napoleons. Okay. Let's get out our bacon. Bacon. Take it and just pour off the grease. Nothing wrong with that. Just pop them into the paper towel. Take off some of that excess grease. Still kind of hot. Got that paper towel. Excess grease. And then also, this is a little favor, making it easy to crunch them, which is what we need to do. I'm just going to be a little careful, it's hot, and crunch. Okay. Alright, now we're going to sprinkle our little plate here with our freshly made, still very hot, bacon bits. Make sure some of the bacon falls on the cheese. You gotta love that. Okay, now let me just move these plates out of the way. I got 2 dishes down, and all that's left is dessert. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Put some bacon in the middle here. Alright, crumbly. Come on, crumble up. I always like to have a little green on the plate. So we're still going to put a little rosemary in there.
Happy birthday.
Bacon. Gotta have bacon. Okay. Love that rosemary. Love the green on the plate.
I'm Alex.
Green on the plate. Love the green on the plate.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, that's 2 dishes down. And now, this is Poulet Napoleon, beef Napoleons. This is our rosemary infused green beans.